Today I'm going to be telling you the right time to upload on YouTube so you will get more views and subscribers. So please listen attentively. I'm going to be breaking it down for you. Because now I'm going to be telling you the manual time, because some of you have not gotten enough views that YouTube will be able to create a chart automatically for you to create on your YouTube studio, so that you'll be able to see it automatically. Maybe when you are confused or when to post, you go to that chart and check. But if you don't have it, I'm going to be telling you manually how you can post and you will get views. So this have worked for me. That is why I'm sharing it with you too. So if you follow me, if you follow this thing step by step, if you follow what I'm saying step by step, trust me, you will see an improvement in your video. Now I'm going to be breaking it down. I'm going to be breaking it the weekdays and the weekend. Understanding the peak viewing hour is very important. Best time for you to post manually, generally 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. and let me break it down from Monday to Friday, because Saturday and Sunday has their own time. I'm getting there. Mondays to Friday, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. is the best time for you to post manually. If you don't have that chart for you that has studied your viewers, this is manually, because Mondays to Friday from 6, Nigerians are very busy. I'm using a case study of Nigeria now. Are very busy, so they are going to work, going to school, going to do. Everybody is busy. Nobody have time to carry their phone and say this is what they want to start watching. They want to go on YouTube. So if you are the kind of person that have posted a video by 7 a.m. in the morning, or 10 a.m. in the morning, or 12 a.m. in the morning, who is going to watch it? Nobody is going to watch your video. Some of you will post video around 10 p.m. Who is going to watch it? People are going to bed Mondays to Friday, preparing for the next day. So who is going to watch it? The best time for you to post is 3 p.m. because a lot of people will be getting off work, coming back from school, feeling tired. They just want to enjoy themselves. Oh, what can I watch on YouTube? Let me see. By that time, your video will pop out because you have posted at that time. So now, when you're not getting views again, YouTube is not pushing your video. When YouTube have pushed your video and you have posted wrongly, now you posted at the wrong time, YouTube will see that, oh, hours, like nobody has viewed, nobody has liked, nobody has shared, nobody has commented, and that means this content is not valuable for the audience. And YouTube does not play with their audience. They will push down your videos, so nobody will be seeing your videos. By that time, you say, I spent so much hours, so much time in creating this thing, and nobody is viewing. Even if you have a good thumbnail, you have a good tags, you put hashtag, you put everything, if YouTube sees that nobody is recommending, nobody is watching your video, they will stop recommending your videos. So because you've wasted those hours already, YouTube will work with 24 hours. So that time you posted wrongly, you've wasted those hours, and YouTube is not recommending your video anymore. Sundays and Saturdays, somebody by 10 a.m. somebody is posting. Who wants to watch it? They are tired, they are sleeping. You cannot start posting by 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. That is it. You start posting from Saturday and Sunday. Start posting from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. If you start posting by 8, 9, 10, a lot of them are tired, doing other activities and going to bed. So use the timing is very limited, but make use of it. Anytime you want to make use of your video, anytime you want to post your video, make sure during the weekdays, make sure it falls between 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. During weekends, make sure it falls from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Those are the ones manually. So you need to understanding the peak viewing hour is very important. Yeah, understanding the peak viewing hours. That's the peak. Generally, it is 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. for weekdays. The second one is use YouTube analytics to find your best time. It's what I'll be telling you now. And before I will tell you that one, we have to go to my YouTube studio to show you, because some persons just see that chart there, they don't know how to go about it, they don't know about it. Even the big creators, even the small YouTubers, you just see it there like as if it's a decoration. No, is to guide you when to post, or post at the right time. And guys, if up to now you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get some useful and vital information concerning YouTube tutorials. And if you subscribe already, you know I love you. See you in my next video. Bye. So let's go to my YouTube studio. We don't have this YouTube studio. Me, I don't know what, as a content creator, what you are doing now. So now, like I said we are going to be using so we are going to go to dashboard, content, you see analytics, you click here. Like I said we're going to use YouTube analytics to find our best time, because I've gotten enough data for YouTube to bring out this for me, so that it's telling me when my viewers or my subscribers are online. So this is likely, if I don't want to go the manual way, I'll just come here and check most of the time. So let's just go. When you click on this, you go to audience. When you've gone there, you go to audience. From audience, you will see this, then you will see when your viewer want to talk about, and this is it in the last 28 days, like you know how YouTube does it. So this is showing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we have the very dark purple, we have the light purple, we have the dim purple, whatever way. So it's showing you 12 a.m. on Sunday, 12 a.m. on Sunday. You see it's like, okay, this is it. Like, let's just click on it. So you click on it for you to be able to, so it's telling you that the light, should I call it light purple, is showing you many, but the dark purple, like dark, almost like black, is showing you the few viewers. So now it's showing you here that 12 a.m. on Sunday, that means a lot of people now on Sunday, they're already on Sunday, they're already 12 a.m., they're already awake. 12 that's 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., they are still awake in a bit. So even if you post anything around that 12, likely you might get views. But when it's already 6, when it's already 3, 4, 5, this thing is already getting dim, that a lot of people are not available at that time. So when you get to 7, 8, 9, 10, because from here when you get to 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., they are nobody is online, they are just few. When it comes to from 11, 12, you see them, they are engaging. But when it comes to 1, 2, 3, 4, people are already available on Sunday. So that's what it's saying, that even on Mondays, on Monday 12 a.m., 1 a.m., you still might see people, few people online. But when it's getting to 3, 4, 5, 6 a.m., a lot of people are already sleeping or already preparing for the following day. You know how it is now. Like me now, if I want to sleep now, if I'm not doing anything by 12, I'm already getting tired to go and sleep. So if you post anything around 11, 12, for example, I might see it, but I may not really engage with it later. I may just see it because I'm active though, but partially active because I'm preparing to go to bed. So that's what this thing is telling you. There's a lot of us don't sleep by that 10 or 11, but we're already preparing to retire. So if you not post any video by 2 a.m., 3 a.m., nobody is going to watch you, because majority of those persons are sleeping. Do you understand? Or you want to go live, or you want to post something and you're posting it at that time of the day, so you can see. So you can see what I was saying in the manual stuff, that I was telling you that from 3 p.m., see this is 12 p.m. now, 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. That I told you that from 3 p.m., 4 p.m., it's a general time. That means all your viewers are already active, they're online, that they may likely watch your video. So if you don't have this on your YouTube studio, that means YouTube have not gotten enough data from your viewers. You've not gotten enough for them to be able to create this for you. But what you keep do, just keep posting, be consistent and that. But if you don't have this, that is why I said do the manual time. Understand the peak viewing hour, and that is 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., like that. But most time 3 p.m. to 4, and I said you can post around 3 p.m. before YouTube will push your video around 4, 5, so it will just be there. So if you don't have, you can just think manually. And so if you find this very helpful, please share it to your friends and family, comment on my video, let's interact.
Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.